How to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. The very first thing you have to do is open up your Trust Wallet app and just make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, you should see your home interface something like this, and you have different options like send, receive, buy, and then swap. Just tap on the swap option, and from here you can preview your swap and choose which kind of crypto you want to change to. So go ahead and tap on the first one, and then you're just going to have to search for USDT here. Once you search for USDT, tap on the Tether USDT, and then the second one you're going to have to search for TRX. But as you can see here, the TRX option is not showing. So in this case, you're going to have to go back and then search for pancakeswap.finance, and then click on the first thing that you see. Now it will open up a inbuilt browser on your Trust Wallet where you will find the option to swap your crypto. So by default, it will show you BNB and then Cake. On BNB, you're going to click on this drop down and then select TRX and then search for it. Now select it. Now the first one you're going to have to select as USDT, and the second part you're going to have to select as TRX. Then just click on connect wallet, and after entering the amount, you should be able to add this to your home screen. So just search for TRX and then add it to your home screen. Once you've added it, you'll be able to see it on your home screen right here. And after doing so, you should be able to convert your USDT to TRX on your Trust Wallet. If this was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.